talking today about Facebook ads. I see this a lot. People ask me this a lot, so I thought I'd sort of address that. So you're trying to build your following, right? We've talked before about building a following to have people to market to. So you're running ads to build the following. So you're running ads to get more likes on your page and to get more engagement with your page, not running ads for whatever your product is. It's too soon. Now you're just annoying people with an ad. So what you're doing instead is putting out interesting content, funny content, helpful in your arena, whatever your thing is, giving tips. That's if it's food, you could be giving some recipes, leading them over to Pinterest. You're really just giving great content in the beginning to grow that following, and then running ads just for that. I'm hoping you're figuring this out. And anybody just jumping out there and trying to run ads for whatever their product is, buy. Yeah, nobody likes that. And they're going to click no or hide, even if they already like you. So run some ads. Don't spend a lot of money. Doesn't take a lot of money, even in national campaigns. You can spend $20, $40 and get, if you have good content, you can get 100 likes pretty quickly, 200 more likes. I mean, this is growing quickly. So jump right in. Be sure and analyze what's working. Don't just keep doing crazy stuff and nothing's working and think that it doesn't work. That's not true. You're just not doing the right one. You need to analyze what you're doing. And when something works, do more of that. So hope this has been helpful. See you soon.